I spent 3,000 hours trading crypto, and now 3,000 hours might sound like a lot, but if you have been in the market for even a little while, you know how intense it can get. And here is the thing, guys, not all of those hours were profitable or fun. In fact, a lot of it was painful, but eventually I figured out a better way to handle it all, and I became an algo trader. When I first started, like a lot of people, I thought I would just ride the wave, buy low, sell high, and just keep racking up all of those gains. But crypto isn't just a fast track to profit, it is also a riskier space where every mistake can cost you. I learned the hard way that without the right tools and mindset, it's easy to lose more than you make. And that is exactly what happened to me at first. Pain point number 1, emotional roller coaster. One of the hardest things I learned was how emotional trading crypto can be. The market is so unpredictable. 1 hour, you are up 20%, the next day, it could be down or 40%. I would panic sell or jump in too late because my emotion took over. And over time, I realized that if I couldn't control my emotions, I would keep on losing. This is where algo trading helped me the most. Algorithms don't get me emotional. They follow rules and execute strategy exactly as planned. I programmed my strategy so that no matter what was happening in the markets, the algorithm kept me disciplined and I stopped reacting out of fear or excitement. Another huge struggle: information overload. In crypto, there is endless news, price signals, and on-chain data everywhere you look. At first, I spent hours just reading and analyzing all of those informations, trying to keep up myself. But the reality is, most of it is noises. By focusing on everything, I was actually making the worst decisions. By moving into algo trading, I could filter all of those noises and stick to a few indicators or few information that my strategy actually needed. I designed my algorithm that focused on only the most important data, so I don't have to get lost in all of those noises. By having this way, I could make a decision based on data that matters instead of getting overwhelmed. Then there is FOMO, or we know as fear of missing out. This is one of the most dangerous things in crypto. I will see a coin pump and I feel like I have to get in or else I will lose out the next big thing. So I buy in late, right when the price was so high, only to watch them drop after I bought. I learned pretty quickly that FOMO trading is rarely profitable. So algorithm trading make FOMO much less of a problem. I set up my algorithm to buy and sell based on a specific signal, not emotions or hype. If a trade didn't fit the criteria, the algorithm will ignore it. By having this way, I didn't chase the trends just because they were hot. I follow my rules of my strategy. At first, I would go all in into one single project and I thought we'll go into the moon. But then the market would turn and I watched my portfolio drop very fast. And that is when I learned that risk management is everything in crypto. Crypto markets are so volatile that you have to manage the risk if you want to survive. When I switched to algo trading, I would set up my risk management rules that work on every single strategy. My algorithm won't put too much into any one trade, and it will cut loss automatically if the things go south. This took the guesswork out of managing the risk and kept me from taking losses that could wipe me out of this market. So, what did 3,000 hours of crypto trading teach me? The trading in this space is tough. You need to be disciplined, you have to have the clear rules, and you need to be a strong handle over your emotions. By becoming an algo trader, it was a game changer. With my algo, I could manage my risk, stick to my strategy, and avoid emotional decisions. I won't say it is an easy way or shortcut in your journey, because algo trading has its own learning curve. But for me, it is what makes the difference between a random trade and a solid approach that I could trust. So if you are in a crypto trading for the long run, the lessons are very clear. Control your emotions, cut through the noises, avoid FOMO, and always manage your risk. Trading crypto is a challenge, but with the right tools and mindset, you can make all of those hours count. I'll see you on the next video.